Here's my chickpea pilaf, really easy dish to make at home when you're kind of stumped for ideas. Easy peasy rice dish, and it's super tasty. It also goes as a main or a side, so you can have it as that. Main ingredients are chickpeas, cumin, coriander, some curry leaves in there, and of course the rice. So with the rice I kind of boil first, and I just chuck in some curry leaves to give it a really nice fragrant flavour. Or you can use cinnamon, is a great one. Cinnamon stick is great. So a bit of salt, and that goes in. Put that on the hob to boil for about 6 to 8 minutes. While you're doing that, you want to put the spices on your chickpeas. So I drained the chickpeas and I added my garam masala and my ground cumin into the chickpeas, and I'm just going to give that a really good mix so all the chickpeas are kind of covered with those spices. So these are the kind of two that would go. I love ground cumin, so that is really flavoursome. And it gives it a really nice flavour as well. So not too overly spicy, but a really nice kind of fragrant, nutty flavour. So you kind of mix that all together. So all the chickpeas are coated in those spices. And they're going to be super tasty. So next I'm going to add some oil into a pan. So I just use like normal olive oil or rapeseed oil. It's fine. So use that in there into a medium heat, and then you just add in your chickpeas and kind of stir them around for a couple of minutes or more till they start getting a little bit nutty, and you can smell the aroma of the spices, but not too long because you don't want those spices to burn. So yes, they warm through all the chickpeas, and I chuck in kind of like some finely chopped cashews and some more curry leaves in there just to amp up the flavour a bit. And I love adding cashew nuts, or even if you've got sultanas as well, that tastes really nice in this. I added in some greens, so some chard, I just chopped that up, or spinach, just chopped that up and added that in towards the end of cooking because that only needs a couple of minutes. And then once your rice is nearly done, you can see the holes are poking through, the water is evaporating. Let it steam for a bit, and then I'm going to add it into the chickpeas. So for this one, I just fluffed up the rice with a fork. You can see those curry leaves in there, and it's super aromatic with the flavours, so it's really lovely. And so you just fork it up with a fork just to loosen up the grains a bit, and then put that all into the pan and mix it up with the chickpeas. Do that slowly, really kind of mix it slowly to get all those spices covered in the rice as well. And make sure you season, taste it first and season with salt and pepper. So sometimes you can add in chili flakes if you want it a bit more spicy on this, or I absolutely love eating this dish with some sriracha or chili sauce, which is great. And you can have it just like that, or I had baked some courgettes in the oven with some chili flakes and some fresh mint in there as well, and I had that with this dish and it was so tasty. So it's a really lovely fragrant veggie dish that you can make at home. So hope you guys enjoy the recipe and let me know what you think.